How to create a QR code for your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, in the menu section, you simply have to tap on the drop down arrow, which can be seen beside your profile name. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to select the page which you want to create a QR code of. And now here, once you are inside the page, simply tap on the profile picture, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section of your page, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen beside the advertise button. And now here, once you are in the page settings page, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom, and there you can see the link of your Facebook profile page. Now here you simply have to copy link, and here once you're done copying your link, you simply have to go back and open the Google. And now here, once you are inside the Google, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for create QR code. And now here, once you are in the search result, you simply have to select one of the QR generator. And here, once you are inside it, then you simply have to provide the link that you have copied before, and it will automatically generate a QR code of your Facebook page. Now here, you simply have to download the QR, and that's it. That's how you can create a QR code for Facebook page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.